Hurricane Melissa had the highest wind gust ever recorded inside of a tropical system via a dropson, which was winds of 252 miles per hour. Absolutely incredible. It just shows the just raw power of this storm. It beat out a super typhoon from back in 2010 just off the east coast of the Philippines. That was Typhoon Maggie, which had winds of 248 miles per hour. Now, there are caveats here, and one you may have already caught. I said via a dropson because the highest wind gust ever recorded on the surface was actually Cyclone Olivia off of Barrow Island off the north coast of Australia of 253 miles per hour back in 1996. And it wasn't the strongest ever, the least the lowest pressure either. That goes to Typhoon Tip from 1979. It had a pressure mind-blowing down to 870 millibars. Now, that's not to take away from just the raw intensity of this storm system. And we're only hearing about this now because the National Science Foundation actually reviewed it to make sure this data was 100% correct. But typically when you have wind gust over 200 miles per hour, it breaks the equipment, especially things like anemometers and dropsons. They have to be put in just the right spot at just the right time. So this is two things that I think we should take away. One, absolutely powerful storm system here with Hurricane Melissa as it came on shore as a Category 5. And two, the science and equipment that is further increasing our understanding inside some of the most strongest storms on Earth with this monster Category 5 storm just prior to landfall on November 19th, 2025. I'm meteorologist Robert Spetta.